Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful Angular 20 e-commerce template, fully responsive, totally free of cost, with cart page and checkout page as well, mini cart as well. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please post the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So I see the e-commerce template Angular 20 is fully functional and you can set it for more versatile as well. See the home page, the beautiful slider, see popular products. You can add the more as well. Now, now the card count is 0. I will add 1, see product edit. The second, see the 2. Also we can remove it, remove and removed. So cart is empty now. Now see the beautiful sales section. Also new products. Now add sneakers, crate and this one. See guys, mini cart works well. And after it, newsletter and footer. So now we can see the checkout page. Great. Also we can see the order summary as well. And beautiful the reactive form as well with fully validation. See. Back to home page. So guys see, and let me show you its responsiveness. Like I said, it's fully responsive, will work for all the devices. See, see friends, just brilliant. Toggle nav, check out on more devices. See guys, perfectly responsive. iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini. So just awesome. So see, and now friends, I will show you the code snippet file structure, and also I will share the GitHub link inside this video description as well. So guys, see here's the default files for Angular, JSON inside it. I have called the Bootstrap 5 CSS and JS as well, and see the Angular latest version, Angular 20, and public folder for assets and the beautiful source folder. See guys, inside it the app folder. So here's my neat and clean folder structure. See the core, I have made the services. Card services, see they add to card functionality as well. With open the slide toggle. And the products I am getting here. Let me add one more. Like just change the ID to 4 and save it. Now we can see the 4 products. See 3 here for new one. Let me remove it and save it. Now there will be 2 inside new product section. So fine, it works well. And also is a layout, header, footer and card drawer or slide toggle works well. And then the pages, checkout and home page, and inside app, router.outlet, and the routes very simple. So guys, one more thing I must say, I have just called the header footer inside each component. See here, we can call here as well for main as well, like here. So you can manage with your requirement as well. Very simple structure, neat and clean. And like I said, I will share the GitHub link as well. And friends, after it, in the end, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me. And also After it, I will come with more demos as well, and all will be free of cost. And friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.